Separate us from the love of Christ. Yes, your tribulation, yes, distress.
Use your own security as an individual. You can use your animals, you can use your land. If you have land, you can use a motorcycle, you can use the things which you have in the house, the things which you have in your business. You discuss with the bank which ones you want to use as the security, and then you will sign on those ones.
Ramo beru mam, ramo beru moti ki pire pire, ramo beru le mati kere bajo, kije mapol ma yiro mo dio na chi eroni mundo winye ki bang chu na no mere ma yera kije mati kere, chi ena yido ngi de jeo ngi de ni chi bang me de ko ni.
So you can use a group or you can use your own securities as an individual.
Ramo no jibre ma jeo ma chalu yin no en no gore ni wa yinde chu na ka do da ra chi.
So who can get this loan? This loan is for women in business and who are individuals. Even when you are in a group, you will borrow as an individual, but the group can give you guarantee that you will be borrowing as an individual. So the loan is only for women who are individuals or who have a company which they own as women.
En chende ne gromo de no macharu mege mati biacha ro bertelo in ro beru un multi group money macharu un jo multi ari nyo company nyo lo wori ka o der tal buti no ngene ki mu be ne be ramu to era.
The loan is for business growth purposes, so maybe you are buying a machine to increase on your capacity, or you are building a new structure to
Kini, kakita anyang kini niko, cuma mimi kau kan kapan yang apa? Ikapi kamu loan piringo, kini, iwa ini loan mereka ipi kamu, ipi jauh jami, ini kamu kipang ba, ipi jauh jami, boleh cuba ki jauh jami, ipi jauh jami ni, ipi jauh pipigi, ipi jauh motorka, ipi jauh ngam, cipole anyang ni, mau dicau kena pergi kikiaja. Eko, itu kewajiban cemai on benjel, cepanggil kecuri apa tiap tweet bagi jel. Ia curi apa tiap tweet tu jel apa? Ai diwin penani, ni wandong wati wana beach en, wan wapegi security wan wapegi ngom meja, ko wana beach en ini. Ini yang kita ni yang kere. Kamu kerana wabit yang milion abit abit, biarnya angwen ki milion abit apa miari aku, wana wamo botam wani wabit yang milion abit abit. Kita ni yang kere, abit yang milion abit, utia ni yang abit yang milion abit, mego abit yang milion abit, niki abit yang milion abit, ini apa? Tiada ni ansat aku ada tero milion abit, ana cumi milion abit, mana tero ni miara nengo adua kau kita kau ni bang betero kene ko, itu pi security na pere, la miara eno signing ni ejung kera, eno bucung kera, eno bicung kera, eno bicung kera, eno bicunga kera, beko meno. Johnny eno wengo bitero ana dia ento limi aya bitero kenga. kinyia tia nyangwai aya kama ego tum endo ko de million a bit anda a bit en la mego da bit en ni wenwa ngo bit mo wa bit en me wachi wan wangeo kama en beri he wan wangeo be nying tware wan wangeo nying lo tiang neo business ma o de ni cheni o cher ka winu ki produce eo bicharo produce obe duogo tien logo ne ka eo berpe ba yen eo berpe o miero open an o miero open jo eni mo cheo eni tien nyangwai o miero open en kache mego di eni o berpe ka kuone otumo mego pe kuone betum ka kuo basanta okoro tumo ga ken ara ye ento chene ti okwane i business nene nguru winyo ke wa chobe o ngeke na wa bitimo go tian lokhe la choni berengeo do tiene berengeo dano wenwa ngelu ku deno chene mi produce tian lokhe ni kwane don pere produce eni ni kitemono empty katimoneni o miero wa bichi wanene chene chane ki choko wenge temono ke duago dan gere to mer pere ento dan wor ki gini ni ko biya ko nena wada mero kita anyang kere pokol pazo ngodo duaki ngati ni anyang kumen adena chal an santa kot Johnny la jing ni wanu ngi santa kot bedo itemu yeme ko ngongogi ko mero petan penya me ache nena wa iketi ki pen bi ni ela kan wa kondo duak bot boss e oni wa ko tere ni woki metukom ni woki wili churia ni woki wilo jan mo kene manor mi biachara ki kamero ko yen ko ni gen gamo ki era no ni pera tere ki wek beno nyam yen amero kere ye pera tere chene me grow ko beru chene ma chama chene me grow beru me metu biya chara dong anamero nene na be amer ku to ko chiwo bo do me ba yen gini no ni lon pe wa be cha kene ba pedare wan wa gam long ti long dong ku ke ngome tu we ka ha ya winyo long ke me tu we ka ha yo me ni puri che won wa bu te ja lo ra ti ri pe pe ni to ti ka nya ke ni no ke ma ma do ti ke cha ro wa da cho pe ka da me te don't go me bam chimona chini John anyway luti matek kadira mada kimin gilon utin be ko tu ge tora kimin ge tu kar ge kar ni no ni dok chakram ma bi bi ko ko do ko ra bangano mani kimin ge yen meda le tego miro longo bado dero jeni ngene ngena chen enyer tu chen e ko pego mani longo ka go kere yeni jeni yipenga unyer ko wi.
And I want to repeat to you that His Excellency the President of the Republic of Uganda, whom you elected on 8th March last year, officially launched this project.
And the mero wachi woni la ditlo ma wono yera ma okaro ana nianga aboro Bemade Ultiero Kamande a program in Mahamukarone
from Kirwara
from
district.
Kirwara district, paying Kukorose below Uganda.
And I want to thank Honorable Santa Court together with the Honorable Pastor Menya for supporting, embracing and mobilizing you to support government program.
And the Melaporo and Piwario the Poponge Porto where Wuntino Bore where Onian program Ojaka Wene were known in the Mama Meta yet.
I want to thank the team from private sector foundation for training you, and now you are leading here when you are very pregnant with a lot of knowledge.
And the Melaporo team work Kampala and get Doro good Mepopo make go to Pobet again, don't get a dog Kampala. Get look, but won't make you a job of a
So this loan is among other loans like the PDM, Atanga, Emioga, and others for poverty eradication.
Lon en mawati kalok piane, roma ke lon bukene mawuno bedo kateno ne. Emioga tiye, mitande kwa tiye, PDM tiye. En wen kete katimo wek kirien chan I ot.
The difference is that this one has bigger money.
Apoga ne yen en tiene de dit.
But now, this money is for business.
Tiene en mitimo biachara.
I don't want you to get this loan from the bank, then you go and begin buying muchomo, and then frying muchomo for your
take a legonene, guy no tiene pe jaque willow tien bien, pe jaque willow pego, pe da nom tien de mero level mechameo, you de camo que la chen de mero charque.
That one will come after you have made profits.
And on a bovino guy gamo tiene tio business, ma guava doña, in the area de charno way, boma, kid gomo guru.
And that point is very important.
The map lock and on it.
Now, domestic violence is as a result of poverty in the home. All of us who are here, we know that if there is poverty, there is no peace in the house. So this one also is one way of solving the problem of domestic violence.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.